Oh, did y'all see that? This is not a test. I'm so glad I caught that. That is crazy. This is God saying He's tired of us wasting His planet. Where else have you known it to lightning like this? And it's not even raining. I am scared to go outside. This is Chicago, Illinois. Right off the lakefront. This is actually the skyline right here. And along the outskirts of the clouds, you can see the lightning dancing all across the city. I have never seen anything like this. I got quite a few of them coming down. You should have seen it before I got my camera. Wow. Everybody, this is just your wake-up call. Start praying. It is not a game.